Today I would like to teach a slice in 3D drawing. So before we draw the 3D drawing, we need to change the view in 3D view. Go to unsafe view, for example SW isometrics. So no origins for UCS. Okay. Let's say for example I draw box, specify first corner, length, enter. On ortho, let's say for example this one is 400, the length. The width for example is 300. Okay, the height for example is 100. Okay, this is the box that we need to slice. So we can go to solid, select slice, select object to slice, enter. So we can see here slice can be viewed in XY, YZ, ZX and 3 point. Okay. Referring to UCS, the box can slice in ZX plane and YZ plane, and another one is 3 point. Let's say for example I choose ZX plane. So this one, ZX plane. So from where? From midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, specify a point on desired slide or both, enter B. So slice already the box, so you can move it. Okay, select object, enter. Base point from this point to, let's say for example this point. Okay, let's say we need to slice in another plane. So select slice, select object to slice. Let's say for example here, in what plane? So YZ plane. Okay, so select from where? From this midpoint to this midpoint, B, both, enter. So slice already in YZ plane, so move it. Enter. Base point from this point to, let's say for example this one. So if you want to use 3 point, we select slice, select object, for example this object. So select 3 point, specify first point, let's say for example this one, second one this one, and then the third one this one. So B, enter. So select slice already into object, so move, enter. Select object, this one. So want to move where? Here, for example. Okay, that is the slice for ZX or YZ and 3 point slice command. So if we have our angles, specific angles, so we need to draw the line as a reference. So type lines, for example, line, specify first point, let's say for example from this midpoint. So use the coordinate command. So you shift this one from where? From, for example, the magnitude is 100, and then the 100, the angle is 100.130. Okay, enter. So you select the command slice. You need to slice this the small object. Select object, enter. From where? From this point to this midpoint. So enter both slash, yes, both enter. So you can move the object, select object to move here, enter from where, from this point to another point. So you can delete the reference for this line, so delete. So this is the slice command. If you want to change this object to solid view, shaded view, so you can go to home, you can go to this one, so select shaded. So the command in the shaded view. Thank you for watching.